Hello guys, welcome to Elite Professional. In today's video, we are going to create this amazing chart. In this chart, we're going to show this is our current revenue performance, January to December, right? And this is our variance showing that, oh, okay, so this is showing we have performed well, we have not performed well. This is showing the negative variance, and this is up here is showing the positive variance. So this as a whole conveying some kind of message to our employer or to our manager or to whosoever or to the business owner, whosoever you're doing this analysis for, and they can easily identify where they've performed well, where they've not performed well year on year, and make some analysis and look at the problems and look at how they can make some provide some solution to make a good business decisions, right? So this is what this chat is all about, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you so much. So I want you to relax and let's do this together. Thank you so much. I will see you in let's get started. All right, so the first thing that you need to do, you're going to need 3 columns. So the first column is for variance, and you're going to separate this variance to the positive one and then to the negative one, because we're going to be using scatter plot to actually do it. So on the scatter plot have the x-axis and then the y-axis as well. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Let's do. Okay, so let me show you how to create this in case you're new. If you're creating a variance, we want to see what we're doing on the annual over the previous year -1, and we are doing 19% in January, right? So we are doing all this again. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show the positive here and the negative values here, right? So let's just change this to be positive, okay? The positive numbers, okay? And the, let's say, the negative numbers. Okay, negative. Alright, so this is what I want to do. I want to start the formula from the beginning. I want to do I don't want to write the formula from the beginning. So if this is above 0, I want you to return 1. I want you to return this value. If it is not, then I want you to return NA. So NA will give us this value. So let's make okay, so I want to make this column fixed. Okay, so Control 4, then fix the column, right? So if you don't understand cell reference, please look up my video on cell referencing. So again, I'm going to paste the same value here and see what we have here. So this will be if less than 0. Alright. Okay, so I have the positive and the negative value. So remember that what we are trying to do here is that I want to create a column chart first. So creating a column chart, I'm going to use this tool. Then the control, you go to your home tab, go to your insert, then press this. The shortcut for that, you can use Alt and K, and this will take you here. So let's create a column chart first. I'm going to create this column chart. Okay, so I have this, right? Then you can, I don't like the lines always, and then this, erase this. Okay. Okay, bold. Okay, so this is not bad. Then I need to format this. I want this bigger. I want the column to be bigger. Okay, so I'm going to click on this, then increase the gap width, decrease it a bit, make it bigger, right? Okay, so I want them black. because it's easier for me to make a reference to show them black, right? You can decide to choose any color that you want, but color, if you're doing analysis and then you want to do a good presentation, it's just better to make your bar chart black, and then make whichever one you are referencing, which one is showing the highest sales or minimum sales, make it another color so that it can, whoever looking at your analysis can easily see what you're trying to show them. Right, so this is done again. So I don't like this since I'm doing a column chart, so I'm going to bring the chart up here. So go to your chart design, go to your add element. I'm going to add element, and I want to add data type. Okay, I want this data label to be outside. Okay, so this is nice. Okay, so the next thing I want to do right now, I want to show the difference, which one is up, which one is down. You know what I mean. I want to be able to show that where we are performing well and where we're not too performing well. So let me move this down so that I can clearly show and expand this. Okay, so what I need to do right now is to plot a another graph on its own, which is going to be a scatter chart. So I'm going to use this month since I'm doing a new graph. Then I'm going to use the shortcut for chart, Alt and K. Then I'm going to our chart. Then this is nice, I can do this. However, I won't be able to decrease the column chart like I want. So I'm going to do scatter charts. I'm going to do this, okay, and then I'm going to click OK. So I have this. Okay, so what I want to do right now, I want to put some design here. I want to show my error bar. So I'm going to click on these guys, all the chart generally, and all this guy to go to, okay, so you can come from here and say show error bar, right? So you're going to show the error bar. Okay, so you have the error bars here. So what I want to do, right, with the error bars, let me like this, right? As you already know, I don't like the lines, right? I'd like to make my chart neater. So the error bars that we need, I want the error bars to move from top down to this line, which are the vertical, right? So which is a vertical line. Okay, so what I want us to do right now, format ASICs. Okay, let's see, let's make it thicker a bit. Okay, so this is glaring now. Okay, so what I want to do right now, I want to remove these horizontal lines. Okay, horizontal lines. All I need are the verticals. So I want this to move from here down to this place, and I want to remove all this cap. So if you look at this, it has some caps. I want to remove this. Okay, so what I'm going to do right here is that I'll go back and format my error bars. Okay, so this, I want this to move here and then touch this line. So this is going to be a minus because I want this to, okay, it seems I'm actually working on it too. Okay, so let me just work on this alone. All right, good. So I want this to be minus, right? And I don't want cap, I want it to be free of cap. Okay, so what I want again, I want this custom value. I want you, so whenever you're working with error bars and this is not touching the bar, I mean the line that you want or something, you probably have to set your customized value yourself. So I want to specify my value here. I'm going to leave the positive. I want negative because I want this to move downward. So this is positive, so I'm going to bring in the positive number. Then okay, right, so this will move from the top and touch this. You see, again I want this to do the same, so I'm going to click on this. Alright, go to my error bars. Okay, I want this to, first thing that I want to remove the cap, so no cap, and I want this to make this minus. I want it to move from up here, then touch this bar again. Right, so again I'm going to specify my negative value, which is a custom value here. I'm going to leave this positive value. I want this to move towards my line. Okay, then I'm going to click OK, and this says about fine. Okay, so this is nice, right? So I like when I have these bubbles. The bubbles are nice. However, I'm going to change these bubbles to green and not blue. So I want this bubble, this marker, so it is actually marker, not bubbles, to be green. So then I don't want border. Okay, I want to make it this kind of green, right? So it depends on the kind of green you want. Okay, so okay, I think this is nice. Okay, then let's do the same for this guy as well. Okay, so let's make this red. So let's make this red instead of orange. I like this red. Then again, I don't want border, right? All right, so another thing I want to remove here is this. I don't like this. I want to remove this. So go to my axis, and then I want you to show none, right? So display axis value to be none. Where do I find you again? So take care labels. Okay, so labels. Okay, now I found my labels. I want this to be none. Okay, again I want to remove this. I want these percentages to show right on top. So I'm going to display this to none. All right. Well, instead of doing that, I think this is what I will do. Instead of that, I'll just delete this. Right. And again, because I want it to be up here, so I'm going to click on this. Okay, then I'm going to go to the, I will do this separately. I want the data label to show. This is up, so the data label should show above this. So I'm going to go to chart design, then I'm going to my data labels, and I want this to show above. Okay, so this is clicking on everything again. So just click on this line alone and remove this. Okay, so this I will change this design to be below, data labels to come below. Okay, so now it's controlling everything. So this is what I'm going to do, guys. I want this alone. All right, so I'm clicking. I want these labels, I want it to show below, so leave the one up here. So sometimes you just have to click on the ticker itself, on the marker, right? Okay, so I have this. So negative and positive, I don't need this. So clearly I'm showing with colors, with the colors to show that this is positive and this is negative. Again, I want to make this ticker. Okay, so I'm going to format this again, the arrow bar. You say right, come down here, then make this to be big. So let's do 3. Right, is 3 fine? So I think 3 is fine. For 3, then again I'll click on this, I'll make this 3. Just type in 3 straight. Okay, so I have this. This bubble seems a bit small. I want it to be a bit bigger, right? Okay. So let's go to option. Let's go to built-in. And let's make this 8. 8 is big. Let's make this 7. Okay, so 7 is fine, right? Then let's make this built-in as well. Let's make this 7 as well. Alright, so here we have this wonderful stuff. Again, so this is big. So because I want to show this below my previous chart, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to make this smaller, right? So very small, okay? Then so you can shrink it, make it smaller, you can do the design whichever way you want. But clearly anybody seeing your chart is looking at this as a whole. That's okay. So that means, oh, you did 19% increase in January, which is fine. Okay, that's month to month. Okay, above the previous year, right? So again, we did 28% above this, which is fine. Then 5% downward, down 26% downward. Okay, what's going on here? Right. So I begin to investigate whatever is going on with this your what your analysis has reviewed. So this is a very nice way to make your chart, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. If you like this video, please like the videos, give us thumbs up, and then I will see you in the next one.